Welcome back, guys. It's Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It. We are back. It is June 3rd, and another market update. And again, we are talking about two stocks that are looking to explode here soon. This is exactly what I'm doing. Again, do not do what I'm doing. You will lose money. But Humacyte, we are still waiting on the 2 days, June 9th and June 11th. June 9th is their earnings call, and Humacyte is a biotech, so if the earnings call goes well, you can expect this stock to really increase. It's already up on 57% in 1 month. Let me pull it up for you. It's up 57% in the last month, and we have more analysts jumping on the bandwagon of this biotech, which is a good news. It looks like its all-time high is almost $13 a share. That is a huge increase. And with this new meeting, if the meeting goes well, you can see this stock go back even higher. But again, just like another biotech, it is like a wave. It will go up and go crashing down. So if the news is bad, expect this to have a dramatic pullback. So we're going to keep an eye on this real closely. I bought in at 80 cents a share. It is already up to $1.42. So I'm going to continue to monitor this closely. The second stock I'm going to talk about is APLD, Applied Digital. This company continues to get contract after contract. Its latest one was in Louisiana, and it is doing really well. Let me go ahead and pull it up for you. I've gone up and pulled it up for you. It has gone up 82% in the last 3 months. I bought in at this stock at $38 a share. It is currently at $48 a share. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into this. This is a long-term play, not like Humacyte. Humacyte is not a long-term play. Basically, when you get the news and it goes up, you get in and get out. Applied Digital is a strong AI play, data center, long-term play, as long as the AI boom is still going. Now, if that AI boom bursts, yeah, this will definitely come crashing back down. So as long as the AI boom is still, people keep investing money in AI, keep blowing up data centers, this stock will continue to improve. It actually has more analysts than ever before have listed this as a super strong buy. So I'll continue to dollar cost average into this stock and see where it goes. Those are the two stocks I'm looking for. The next 2 weeks should be really interesting. Make sure you like, comment, and follow for more information on these big winners. Thank you for watching.